What's up, YouTube? U003. An update on that huge case break or group case break I want to do. $750 a person, 12 spots. And if you do join, tell me what product you'd like to bust. I'm not going to do like the set products like I was talking about. I was going to do it. I'm going to let everyone choose. If I get, one person wants to do one product, I'll probably just get a box of that. If a lot of people agree on one, I'll definitely get a case or two of that product. And then another update, a side update with it, is anyone who joins will get 50 spots in my sub contest. And to show you how big that is, everyone has 1 or 2 spots, except one person has 12 because he did a video for me. But if you join, you get 50 spots, and if you convince someone to join the group break after you've joined, you get 100 spots. 100 spots. 100 extra. And if you convince someone to join and you haven't joined, I will give you 50 spots if anyone joins my $750 person group break. I do already have one person join. I will definitely update his spots in a second, and I'll give him 50 right now. But once again, you will get 50 if you convince someone or if you join. And if you do join and you convince someone, I will give you an extra 100 spots. So let me know if you guys want to join. And if you do want to join, let me know what product you want to break. I guess this can also be seen as a sub contest video, so subscribe if you want to sub. But mostly it's just to show you how big it is, get the extra spots, and try to convince some people and to join my break. I know it's $750, guys. That's $9,000 worth of products I'll be able to buy, and it'll be really fun. I'm hoping probably like 5-6 cases, and then just some high-end boxes, and then if I need to equal out the dollar amount, I'll probably get a few low-end boxes. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you want to join. Please join quick. It'll be really fun. To bust that many products will be really cool. I only have 11 spots left, so hopefully we can get going quick. If anyone has the money, let me know. And peace out.